In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Avada theme, that's website builder for WordPress and e-commerce theme. So as you can see, this is the theme forest where I downloaded the script. I purchased it at $69. So if you want to get this script, please come to this site to download the script or the theme. So after downloading, what next is for which you go to our dashboard, and that's our WordPress dashboard. Here is it. You click on appearance, then add new theme. So if at the beginning you want to search for the theme using our dashboard, we can come here, but I have gotten the theme, so I will just come here, upload theme. I click on choose file. Next, I click on Avada, that's my theme. Then I click on install now. Okay. So next I click on activate, because without activating it, you have not uploaded it. So next for me is to click on activate plugins, the plugins that are going to work with the theme. Next I click on this, because this pre-built website and this new website from the scratch. So I select the pre-built. Let me assume it's website title. Then yes, I click on next step. Let me select any of these. Let me select social. Let me select this real estate. Then I click on complete setup. Next, you click on visit site. I have successfully installed the script. As you can see, I can go to anywhere I want from here. If you want to customize your theme, please use the engagement link to engage me to help you customize the script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of these videos, and thank you for watching. Bye.